Let's see how to use the Hugging Face Transformers library to perform question answering using a pre-trained model. First, import the necessary modules from the Transformers library. From Transformers, import Auto Model for question answering, Auto Tokenizer, and Pipeline. The Auto Model for question answering class is used to load a pre-trained model for question answering. The Auto Tokenizer class is used to load a pre-trained tokenizer, and the Pipeline function allows for easy access to pre-trained models for various NLP tasks. Next, define the name of the pre-trained model you want to use. Here, I am going to use deepset Roberta-based Squad model. It is a Roberta-based model, fine-tuned on the Squad 2.0 dataset for question answering. Next, load the pre-trained model in tokenizer. Model equals to auto model for question answering dot from pre-trained, and pass the model. Here, it loads the pre-trained question answering model using the from pre-trained method of the auto model for question answering class. Then tokenizer equals to auto tokenizer dot from pre-trained, and pass the model. Similarly, this line loads the pre-trained tokenizer for the model using the from pre-trained method of the auto tokenizer class. Next, create a question answering pipeline. NLP equals to pipeline. This pipeline requires 3 arguments. The first argument specifies the type of pipeline to create, in this case, a question answering pipeline. The second argument specifies the model to be used in the NLP pipeline, with the variable model assigned to the model parameter of the pipeline function. The third argument specifies the tokenizer to be used in the NLP pipeline. The pipeline takes care of tokenizing, feeding inputs to the model, and decoding the outputs. Next, define a context paragraph. This context paragraph serves as the source of information for answering questions. Here I give a brief about Sachin Tendulkar. Next, create an infinite loop to continuously accept questions and provide answers. While true, user input equals to input ask a question or press Q to quit. It prompts the user to input a question. The input is stored in the variable user input. If user input dot lower equals Q, break. If the user enters Q, the loop breaks and the program ends. After obtaining the user's question and storing it in the variable user input, the next step is to prepare the input for the question answering pipeline. The pipeline expects to receive a dictionary with a question and a context. To do this, we create a dictionary named QA input. QA input equals to a dictionary question : user input and context : context. The next step is to utilize the question answering pipeline. Res equals to the pipeline NLP and pass the dictionary to the pipeline. We ask the question answering model to find and provide an answer based on the user's question and the provided context. The outcome, the model's answer, is then stored in the variable res for further use or display. This result is a dictionary, and we access the value associated with the key answer. Print res of answer. Let's run the code. Let's ask few questions. When did Sachin born? What's his full name? Where did he live? By what name is he referred to? Enter Q to end the program. It's simple. We've just explored a simple yet powerful Python program that leverages pre-trained transformer models for question answering. You can use this model for your chatbot project. As we continue to advance in the realm of artificial intelligence and language understanding, programs like these highlight the exciting possibilities of using cutting-edge technologies to enhance user experiences. Whether it's retrieving information, assisting with tasks, or simply providing a conversational interface, natural language processing models are contributing to a new era of interactive and intelligent computing. Feel free to explore further, adapt, and expand upon the foundations laid out in this program. The world of NLP is evolving rapidly, and by understanding and utilizing these tools, we can continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the exciting field of natural language processing and artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Happy coding. Have a good day.